today's lesson, we're going to talk about singular and plural, one and more. A noun. What is a noun? A noun is a name of a person, place, animal, and a thing. Like shoe, leaf, ball, story, car, clock, and brush. Nouns can be more than one, like monkeys, brushes, balloons, doors, and cups. To change into plural, there are 6 rules. Let's start with rule number 1. Today we're going to talk about the first 3 rules. Let's talk about rule number 1. Add s. Shoe, shoes, with an s. Ball, balls, with s. Car, cars, with s. Clock, clocks, with s. Spoon, spoons, with s. And finally cup, cups, with s. Let's answer this exercise. Cup, ball, car, spoon, door, and clock. What's the plural form of cup? Cups. Ball, balls. Car, cars. Spoon, spoons. Door, doors, and clock, clocks. Rule number 2. Add es. When nouns end with s, ss, sh, ch, x, or o, we add es to make plural. For example, the word box ends with x, so the plural form will be boxes, with es. The word brush ends with sh, so the plural form will be brushes, with es. For example, fox, brush, glass, and box. All these words end with x or o, sh, ch. So let's start with the first word. Fox will be foxes, with es. And brush will be brushes, with es. Glass would be glasses, with es, and box would be boxes, with es. Rule 3. Add ves. When nouns end with f or fe, we change them to v, then add es to make plural. For example, a wolf, a knife, a shelf. What is the plural form of a wolf? The word wolf ends with f, so the plural form will be wolves, with ves. And knife ends with fe, so the plural form will be knives, with ves. A shelf ends with f, so the plural form will be with V-E-S. It will be shelves with V-E-S. Let's answer this exercise. A wolf, a knife, a shelf. So the plural form of a wolf, wolves, a knife, knives, a shelf, shelves. So let's write the plural form of these words. Number one, the elf worked in the toy shop. What is the plural form of elf? Elf ends with F, so the plural form will be with V-E-S. So the elves worked in the toy shop. Number two, Cinderella saw lots of blue, a lot at the ball. What is the plural form of dress? The word dress ends with SS, so the plural form will be dresses with ES. So Cinderella saw lots of blue dresses at the ball. Number three, we put our books back on the shelf. What is the plural form of shelf? The word shelf ends with F, so the plural form will be with V-E-S. So shelves, we put our books back on the shelves. Number four, Stephen used 3 loaves of bread to make sandwiches. So Stephen used 3 loaves of bread to make sandwiches because the word loaf ends with F, so the plural form will be with V-E-S. We will change V-F to V, then add E-S.